On daily basis we feel low on energy, and such energy drain is holding us back from doing whatever we want, from achieving whatever we want to achieve in our lives. So let's see which are such situations where we are giving away our power and how to take our power back. Welcome, I am Rituja, and this is my special space where I talk about spirituality, my journey of self discovery, yoga, and all the random stuff. And if you are interested in this content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be talking about the situations where we give away our power from the external point of view to the internal point of view. So, the very first situation where we give our power away is when you are trying to control others or trying to change others. This especially happens when you are in the spiritual journey. People on the spiritual journey easily gave away their power, or knowing the ultimate truth, or the realization makes you realize how powerful you are. But having power doesn't mean controlling. When you are on the spiritual journey, you start to see everything very differently from the earlier point of view. There are changes happening inside you, and sometimes the changes are very fast. And during this phase, your family or your close friends who are not on their spiritual journey are not necessarily supposed to get what you are going through. They are not able to see what you're feeling or experiencing right now. So do not try to control them. Do not expect that they will understand you. Also, even if you know someone who is very close to you is going on the wrong path or not doing her or his work properly where they are supposed to do, of course, in such situation, you should tell them where they are going wrong. But your role is only till telling back. What happens next is their own choice, their own will, their own responsibility. Even within your family and friends, it is not your responsibility to build anyone's happiness. If they want to be happy, they will. If they ask you for your help, you should definitely help. And don't try to indulge yourself in others' life, because then you will be giving away your energy into their life and you'll miss your life. If you put your energy into their growth, then you won't have power over your growth. When you're on the spiritual side, knowing the ultimate truth is very normal to feel that you want everyone to grow in their lives too. You want them to do their best, to give their best, but you attach to these things, to these emotions so much, and when others don't understand your point of view, what you're trying to do, you feel stressed, and that's where you're giving your power away. Well, it doesn't mean to ignore whatever is happening around. You should be an active as well as passive part whenever it is needed, but you cannot control what you can't control. It is not your responsibility to teach others their lessons. Another thing which is taking your power away is judging people. In life, acceptance is the key. Accept things, accept people, and move on. The next situation is when you give away your power, is when you start reacting to situations rather than responding. When people say horrible things to you, if you let what they do or say affect you, you're giving them away your power. And when the arguments happen, you're giving away your power by letting that thing affect you. The moment the argument happen or the situation happen, just making you restless or distressed has already happened. That moment has already passed. That moment, it's in the past itself. That why do we go back all the time, wasting our energies, wasting our time, whereas we can use the same time and energies giving into ourselves, relaxing ourselves, or improving ourselves, or to do anything that we want. Most of the time, we are either living in past or in the future. You can't control your past. You can only accept it and then move on in your life. That's the way you control it. We spend so much time and energy on that which is we are not living. Life is happening at this moment. If you accept this moment, you won't be just in your head anymore. If the person that is being horrible to you keeps on staying the same, then it's the time that you realize that you remove this person from your life. As Dandapani always says, such people are energy vampires, and we are here to take back our power and energies and not let it sucked by some energy vampires. You can't simply control what someone thinks about you. You can control what they think about you. In simple language, think about yourself. Don't let a condition run your life. Next situation is where you are giving away your power is when you seek external validation. By seeking external validation, you lose control over you, hence you give away your power. Only validation you need is from yourself because you are the one in control. You are the one that has the power to feel anything that you want to feel. You don't need others to feel complete. Self-pity is also where you give away your power, your energy. Self-pity is exhausting. Your ego takes over the control. Don't let it. When you self-pity or you victimize yourself, the shadow part of you, according to Carl Jung's psychology, gets bigger and darker, and the real you, the brighter you, shrinks. At the end, the choice is ours to make. We are the only person who are holding the magic. Everything that we are looking for is in us. Your only healer is you. So don't think about anything and just take your power back. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment your views in the comment section below. And for more such videos, please stay tuned. Till then, see you.